Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Samsung video. So in this one, I'm going to be showing you guys a cool feature that I missed when I was doing the good luck stuff. So if we head over to good luck, I won't be able to show you guys the screen recording today because after you update to the latest Samsung OS or whatever the latest Android, SCRCPY doesn't work anymore, which is what I used for screen recording. So we just need to wait for an update, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is, and it isn't what it isn't. So we're just gonna go kind of old school like this. So anyway, if you open up Good Luck, I'll show you this cool feature here. And then if you go into, let's see, it was probably Life Up. Yeah, if you go into this register thingy here, install this thing, and yeah, so anyway, this thing should allow you to do this cool thing here. So if you go into settings, for example, and then you search for, say, USB debugging or USB tethering even, but we'll do USB debugging right now. And since, it takes a while to actually find this fucking thing, what you can do now is you can hold on this thing, then you can add it to your app page. So if I confirm that, then if I go over to my app page here, you'll see that I have this USB debugging kind of shortcut. Actually, I have two of them. And so yeah, and then that will immediately bring you to the settings. So that way, you won't have to like go looking for it, which is quite handy. So, like normally you'd have to go in developer setting, then you need to like fucking find it down here or something. Now, another one we can do is like tethering. So, cause that's, God knows where that's located. So yeah, USB tethering. We can click that, add it to the home page. And then there we go. Easy shortcuts. So yeah, you got straight into the tethering. Then you can do all those pretty cool shits. So yeah, I'll actually keep that one. But yeah, I'll add in the USB debugging also. So yeah, I kind of missed that when I was going through the thing, because like it's not really obvious, but it is what it is. So yeah, now I should have both of them here, and I will put this one into here. So yeah, then it also like highlights it for you as well when you click on it. So yeah, that's pretty good. All right, so another thing is with this thing here. So with this lens protector. So what I noticed was when I was recording videos, videos kind of started to be wobbly. Sounds kind of weird, but it's like, the rolling shutter effect where if you're like driving fast and you're recording at the same time, the video will be kind of like wobbly. Well, I noticed that when I was like using still cameras, so I think it's because of this thing, because there's like a bit of glass on top. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this thing like so. I'm gonna try to anyway. Okay, this is a little bit hard to remove with the case on, but we'll get there in the end. Oh shit, I broke the screen. Okay, well, I guess it wasn't really strong anyway to begin with. God damn it. Okay, well. Jesus. Okay, let me take this shit off. Christ almighty, fucking breaking the phone. Wait, it should be fine. Like, I highly doubt Fuck's sake. Now I spilled my fucking drink all over the place. Great. Fucking fantastic. But yeah, this thing is fine. This whole camera screen is fine. Hopefully my mouse and keyboard will be fine. God damn it, man. Fuck's sake, like. But yeah, this thing is fine. So yeah, hopefully now there won't be any more wobbles. Jesus, this thing just fucking shattered. What the fuck? Is this not glass? Weird. I guess not. Maybe it is. I don't know. It feels like plastic though. So yeah, probably got fucking scammed as usual. But anyway. So let's put this thing back. See, hopefully there's no kind of glass all over the place. Get rid of that shit. So yeah, this should be fine because, you know, it still has the protection from this door. So yeah, that should be alright. Shouldn't need any more. Alright, so yeah, that's that. Thank you guys for watching this disaster of a video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.